Now that you have selected your preferred styles, it's time to mark them in your Preferences module so they will appear in your Preferred tab when you go to create a new design. In Preferences, Styles, start with the Create Style list. There are many that are pre-selected, which are common styles. Please go through them and uncheck any styles that you currently do not build that have already been pre-checked. This way, as you're going down this list, you are checking only the styles that are common for what you would do. You can also filter it a bit. So if you're looking for a style that is only a light duty lumber or medium duty plywood, you can filter it and then you will get a shorter list of the styles that fit in that category. Descriptions of the styles also are to give you more information about that particular style. So you can look at it and say, oh, well, this is how the base sits or this is how the end sits. It's simply to help you. The next step after you have checked your preferred styles and unchecked those that are not your preferred styles is to go in and change the description. The description can be anything. You can come back and change it again if you don't like what you are currently adding in there, but it is recommended that it will help you identify what crates you are building when you put in something that's familiar. And of course, you can type it in English, any language that you want, but the description is strictly what you would like to call something. If you find any styles, as an example, that have also been highlighted in yellow like this, it's because we were making some changes in the beta and didn't clear it out and maybe left an extra space. Get rid of that yellow, which is what helps you identify that you have renamed the style. Just click on the backspace, get rid of it, and it will clear out the coloring. So that way you know that this particular is your default description. Now, as you'll note, I did change the first one in here. So it is yellow. Every style that you select, whether it is preferred or not, that you change the description is going to end up highlighting the line in yellow so you can very quickly find it and go to it. It doesn't matter if it is preferred or not. By selecting preferred styles, you are not deleting any styles. You are setting up a more controlled list. Once you've done that, you go to Create Styles with Options. Your preferred styles, set what the default base is going to be. It takes seconds to just change the checkboxes when you are creating the design, but if you can set what is your common base most of the time when you select that kind of style, it will save you just a few seconds. Plus, if you have someone who's less familiar with a style or less experienced, it makes it easier for them to be selecting the correct base right off the bat. If you'd like more information about a style, here's a little trick. You can click on the glass here, and you've got a list of all the styles. If you click on diagrams, you will get a detailed picture with a lot more information about the style. You can print this out. This one will save about 3 images onto a page, or you can do 2-up diagrams. It will put 6 images onto a page when it prints, but there is a lot less text, so you are only getting the image in this particular case. You have the ability also to filter it. Let's say, for example, you want to see the heavy duty, well, that's only one there. You want to go to the heavy duty plywood styles. You can filter here, then if you go here and you choose the list, you're only going to have the heavy duty plywood inside or whatever list that you filtered.